and welcome to my channel if you are new. Today we're getting to the bottom of this. Are you a digital planner girl or are you a physical planner girl? We're gonna figure this out, so keep on watching. So for those of you who do not know, I am Bri Journal, the owner of Bri Journal, a planner journal shop where we have a lot of different things like daily planner notepads, a journal, as well as a 2024 planner journal. With that being said, our 2024 planner journal has a lot of different features like monthly budget sheets, wish list sheets, things to do, monthly planners, weekly planners, daily planners, monthly overviews, just a lot. But we're going to get into the bottom of whether or not you need it to be a physical version or a digital version, because we have digital and physical planners. So let's get to the bottom of this. We're going to see which one is for you. I have a couple of things written down because I'm going to ask you a couple of questions. The first question is, do you have an iPad? If you have an iPad and you don't really use it, then a physical planner is for you. But if you do have an iPad and you want to get into using it, or if you do use it consistently, then you need to check out our digital planners because they have all the features that come with our physical planners, but it's just in a digital version. If you don't feel like cluttered in the brain from writing on your iPad and you have no problem with writing on digital things, then you need to have the digital version. For me, I'm able to write things on digital like my monthly planner, but when it comes to getting down to the nitty-gritty for daily planning, I'm more of a physical planner girl. So for me, digital planning is more for monthly planning, and that's it. Mainly because I like an overview of things, so I like to see the overview of the month to where I can plan things out as far as content, as well as see when I worked out. So I like to use little symbols like stars and all that, just so I can get an idea of when I worked out that month and just see an overall view for the month, because I'm more of a monthly girl. I like to just see an overall view and that be that, and anything else I need it to be on paper because I get a little overwhelmed. So with that, if you do get overwhelmed by having things on digital and not actually writing it down on paper, then you need to get the physical copy. With me, it has to be on paper just so I can feel like I'm dumping it onto something. If you gotta dump things onto something, like if you get my drift, if you get where I'm coming, then you have to get the physical planner. To me, it's nothing that beats writing on paper. It just feels so much better. When I'm writing on digital, I just end up writing on paper as well, so it kind of defeats the purpose. And I just am really happy that I have this planner journal that I can write everything down in one spot, and that be that. So if you get overwhelmed by not physically seeing something or by not writing things down, then you have to get the physical planner journal. So my next question is, do you like to be a little artsy? Do you like to add pictures into things? Do you like to draw a little bit? Then the digital planner is for you. With the digital planner, you're able to add different pictures and videos and different graphics and stickers into your planner journal, just so that you can get a little artsy and creative with your planning, as well as adding cute quotes and things that you see from Pinterest into your planner. So if that sounds like you, go ahead and get that digital planner. One thing that I feel is really beneficial with writing on my digital planner is that I'm able to pull it up on any device. So I can be planning on my iPad and be out in the store doing my thing, running errands, and then I can just pull my phone out and it automatically syncs my planner journal on there. So if I'm out and about, I can just pull my phone out and get the same view that I was getting on my iPad on my phone. It is a little smaller, so I wouldn't recommend just planning overall on the phone, but just so I can get an overall view, like I said, that is what it's perfect for. So if that is something that you want to benefit from, then you need to get the digital planner. An example of that is I was out and about running some errands, getting some things from the store, and I had written down a couple of items that I needed to get in my planner journal. Now if I would have wrote it on paper and forgot my notebook, I would have been out of luck, but luckily I had my phone, everything was synced, and that was all that needed to be done. Last question is, do you worry about space and storage for your devices? Do you feel like you just have too many photos and other videos and things that take up space and you just don't want to add onto that? Then the physical planner is for you. I know a lot of things take up storage, like CapCut or photos, TikTok, all those things. So if you're looking for something to just write on paper and that be that, not have to worry about the data and syncing and all that other technical stuff, then you have to get the physical planner journal. Which one are you, the physical planner girl or the digital planner girl? Let me know down below in the comments. To me, honestly, I'm a mixture of both. I use the digital planner for when I'm planning my monthly things, and then everything else goes in my physical planner because nothing beats writing on paper, and I just feel so relieved to know that it's on paper and I can just get it out of my phone and erase it. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment for me down below. Are you a physical or a digital planner girl? Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Just like I want you.